Solve for x. 1/5 x minus 2/3 plus 1/4 x equals 3/4 x minus 3/5 plus 1/5. Let's find the value of x. First, rearrange the equation. Make sure x is alone on one side. Next, gather all like terms together. Now, multiply everything by the common denominator. Once more, collect the like terms. Then multiply by the reciprocal to get x by itself. Remember, multiply the numerators together and the denominators too. Let's factor 40 into 8 and 5. Factor 45 into 9 and 5. Simplify everything you can. And that's how we solve this problem.